Hey everyone, Noah here with Full Balance Fitness, and in our video today I'll be sharing my top 2 quad exercises, and we'll be going through some crazy lumberjack workouts with our guest star. All of that right after this.
Honestly, I don't mind leg day. It's just the 2 days after I can't stand.
Guys, today I'm here with my wife Elizabeth, of course.
Hello.
And our question for today comes from Melodies with Melanie, and she asks, what is your regimen for staying healthy and lean during the holidays? First thing I would say is exercise restraint and discipline when it comes to what you eat and how much of it you eat, of course. But the other thing would be, and probably more importantly, is stay active. Stay really active during this period. When I used to work at the front desk in gyms and as a personal trainer, we'd have a ton of people come in around Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's because they wanted to, in a way, earn those calories they were about to consume. And that's okay. This time of year, you should enjoy that. You got anything to add?
Yeah, just mainly focus on family. If you get too obsessed with working out, you can get really irritable and start treating your family a little bad. So family's really important, and treating them right is always important.
If you've got good people you're going to be spending time with around the holiday season, enjoy that. If you're measuring food and getting all stressed about macros and all of that, your priorities might be in the wrong place. Next up, let's go into an epic workout with Lumberjack Mack.
Lumberjack Mack here with the top 3 exercises to get you lumberjacked.
Red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
All right, sir. Number 1 today, we're going to work on our biceps. Okay? What we're going to do, step this over here. You're going to put your hands here. Okay? You're going to press down for me.
Okay.
I'm going to curl up. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Oh, whoa! We might want to work on this. All right, sir, this next one we're going to do is a little bit less dangerous. Get yourself a chainsaw. Get yourself down right like this. Watch yourself. We're just going to work our forearm just like this. You see what I'm doing here?
Yes.
All right.
All
Give
right.
it a try.
Not sure if this is very safe, but we'll find out.
Just like that. Get a good grip on that chainsaw.
All right.
All right, Noah. Our final challenge today is facing our fears. Climbing the tree stand. All right, sir. You go first.
Ooh. You sure this is safe?
Safe as I've ever been.
Oh, okay, stop. Nope, it's moving. Oh my gosh.
None of this has gone as I planned. It'll be better next time.
How was that?
Absolutely ridiculous. But he did promise that it'll get better.
I hope so, for your sake.
Next up, the top 2 quad workouts that you can do from home. When training legs, you want to focus on 2 things, power and flexibility. So the first exercise we'll be doing will primarily be for power. And if you have dumbbells, great. If not, you can master body weight and then move into holding some kind of other equipment. Hopefully by this time you get dumbbells. We're going to start by grabbing these dumbbells. And you just want to make sure you do a standard squat. The most important thing is that you focus on your posture. Go down, power through your heels or the middle of your feet, just like that. Focus on the quad stretch at the bottom and the front. And squeeze your legs at the top. The second leg exercise will be for function, for flexibility. This is all about getting as much range of motion as you can. So you want to hold on to something. I'm holding on to this tower here. You can hold on to door trim, anything. And as you do it, you just go down, focus on that stretch right there in your quad and that teardrop muscle permeating up into the hip, and then power up. You notice when I come up, I'm straightening the leg. As I go down, I'm focusing on getting as flexible as possible. The important thing with this is you focus on your capability level and improving your flexibility and improving your depth with time.
Hello! Recipe time again! Yay! Today I made turkey balls, which is the exact same thing as sausage balls, but slightly better and healthier. And it was made with 95% lean. Yay! So much healthier. Anyways, you can use this as a snack or a breakfast item, a quick grab and eat. And for you vegan people out there, you can always use your vegan cheese instead of cheddar. Now, I will leave the description down below of the recipe, and I look forward to hearing y'all's feedback if y'all make it. Now, crazy story.
There was this time when I was in the gym and I was a personal trainer, a colleague of mine, his client. We're going to say her name was Ruby. Ruby had just wrapped up her session and she was going to go sit on the bench, and she was walking. She'd finished up with him and everything. She was walking out, and all of a sudden she just stumbled, and we watched the security footage, and she stumbled and she fell, and as she's falling forward, she smacks her face on the concrete, and you can see her glasses go flying and blood squirt across the floor. It was crazy. And now this might sound like a gross story, might sound disturbing. She was fine, and she ended up coming back in the gym the next day. Big old scar on her head and 17 stitches, but she came back into the gym, and she was all happy, and she's like, yeah, it was my fault. Now, here's the interesting thing. Here's the lesson here, the moral of the story. Want to know why she passed out and fell? Because she didn't have breakfast. She didn't eat before she came in and trained. Now, also, I firmly believe that as a personal trainer, you should be asking your clients what they've had, and don't push them very hard if they haven't eaten. But I'm telling you, if you're weight training, always, always, always get something to eat beforehand. Carbohydrates being the most important, and then closely followed by proteins and fats. That's the story. A little bit crazy. What are your thoughts?
That is very crazy. Definitely need to make sure your food intake is proper, especially with nutrition. You want to, especially the morning, you want to make sure you have some fruit, nice carb to go with it, and protein, and it makes you feel better and have more energy throughout the day.
And perform better in the gym. Guys, we really appreciate you sticking around today for our episode. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We hope you have an amazing day.
Bye!
God bless.